Seedream 4.0 is the latest AI image tool from ByteDance, and it's quickly making noise because it can generate images from text, edit them with simple instructions, and even use up to 6 reference photos to keep your style or character consistent. What makes it stand out is speed and quality. It can render crisp 2K images in under 2 seconds and supports native 4K resolution for detailed outputs. Using it is simple. Upload your reference image if needed, type your prompt, and hit generate. If you don't like the result, just tell it what to change, like adjusting colors or removing background, and it edits on the spot. Compared to rivals like Google's Nano Banana, many reviewers say Seedream 4.0 feels faster, more consistent, and more reliable for creators. Though it can still struggle with very complex scenes and higher resolutions, can cost more. Overall, if you're into digital art, content creation, or just want a powerful AI image generator that's easy to use, Seedream 4.0 is definitely worth trying.